Hey y'all, welcome back to Feral Art. This evening I am painting for a Nate's Art Lab collab. Nate's Art Lab is a Patreon and we experiment together and we do collabs together and we talk and we have a good time together. It's a wonderful group of people. Last month we did a Valentine's collab. This month we're working on something that a lot of people have a lot of trouble with, and that's consistency. Consistency as in your paint consistency. Certain techniques require certain consistencies. Dutch pours like to be very thin paint. Pearl pours, thin. Ring pours and straight pours like to be a little thicker. Flip cups, thicker. Certain bases for things, even thicker. And if you don't use the correct consistency, you end up with an incorrect painting, one that does not look like you want it to look. And what happens then? What do? Chuck it in the trash? Been there, done that. It's not really the best thing to do with your art, but you know, we all have our days. Anyway, so tonight I have a couple of 10 by 10 little canvases that I have tightened up and worked on for about a half hour because level 1 canvases, you know, what are you gonna do? And I am going to do a couple of pours, one with correct consistency and one with an incorrect consistency. And we'll talk about that as we go. So I think I kind of want to do straight pours. So I will tell you my colors. I have Arteza Violet. That's my consistency. I have DecoArt 24 karat gold. I have Arteza Bordeaux Red. I have DecoArt Tin. I have Arteza Phthalo Blue. I have Amsterdam Titanium White. I have Amsterdam Onyx Black. So, without further ado, let's get down on the canvas and get busy. All right, so I'm gonna layer me up a couple of cups, one for one, one for the other. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of white in the bottom of my cup. Just a little, that's enough. And then I'm gonna put just a little gold. I keep my gold a little thicker because I don't want it to like do that weird oil slicky sheen thing. Not a lot, just a little. Oh, there was blue. Nice. Let's wipe that off. That's what we don't need. There we go. That's funny. It's okay. It's fine. Now we are going to pour this cup. I'm kind of excited about it. See if I can't, there we go, make us a little tip. And we're just gonna pour. This might be a little skosh thinner than our other paint. That's fine. This is just here to help things move along, give our paint something to ride on. Slide ride, you know. Okay. Off we go, a tilting. Let's just move it around a little. I put a lot of paint on here. Yes, I did. It's okay. Just get it moving. The consistency was right to keep the lines. We got some cool cells. The lines in my ring pour stayed really nice. I'm happy with it. This purple. This is our original consistency. And then I'm going to take a little drip of this purple, which is our new consistency. This is about a Dutch pour consistency-ish, maybe a swipe. Anyway, there we go. See how much faster the thin one is running? That's gonna make a big difference. Pour into our puddle of white, remember? Now, we're gonna take our cup of paint, gonna make our little nozzle, and we're gonna do a straight pour. One thing we're gonna notice right off the bat is this sucker is moving. Thick paints are easier to control because they don't move as fast. Okay, here are our two paintings. This is the one with the correct consistency of the paint. You can see the lines. You can see cells. You can see colors. The two thin paints. All right, what do we see here? Unclear lines, very wavy. Very, very wavy. That is a thin paint issue. See how our gold over here kept the lines like in there? See what the gold did over here? It's just sort of everywhere. It's like a sheen over the whole painting. If you want your painting to look like this, thin them suckers down. If you don't, and you want your painting to look, you know, more like an organized pour, leave it thicker. Thicker paint is easier to to handle. Now, what do we do with this one? Do we toss it? Do we just throw it away? I'm not going to. And I've got the stencil put on it. And we're going to stencil it to fix it and make it look pretty. Okay? This up oh so nicely. We're good. Super sorry to have to do these dried results inside, but it's storming outside and it's nighttime. So here are our dried results, our beautiful, good, wonderful one. And here is the one that we kind of saved. Look at this sucker. Look at her shine. So pretty. Do you have to save them? Absolutely not. Can you save them? You absolutely can. So there you go. What do you think? How you feel about it? Let me know.